me show you how to use teleprompter on CapCut. Now get to your CapCut, click on expand. When you click on expand, you see all the tools. Then you can see teleprompter there, click on it. Now notice, I've clicked on it, but it's showing me the other side of my camera. But I want it to show my face. So what do? I'll have to return. Just click once to return, then go to your camera now. Then hit on flip. Can you see it's now facing me? Okay. Now let's return again the second time. Now go to teleprompter. Okay. Now you can use this button to drag this to any point you want. Then you can use here to set everything, how fast it will be. You want it to be the speed. You can reduce the speed. Here you can increase the font size. Okay. You can as well adjust the color here. Can you see? You can adjust the color as you wish. Okay. So that's about the setting. Now let's go to edit and paste our text or script. I'll select this all and replace it with my own script. So I'll hit done. Okay, this is my teleprompter now. I'm about to begin, so I'll now go to record. I want to put it to 60 seconds. So I hit the center button to begin recording. Wait for it to finish counting. You can then go ahead and record. If you like this video, follow me for more.